Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do this Boxy Charme eye look. Everything else is kind of the same thing that I always do, but I wanted to do this video just because I was trying to figure out what to do today and I was kind of in a funk, so I was like, nope, not doing this. So I literally took a shower, looked outside. It's beautiful outside, but again, we are in quarantine, so we can't really do much. But I want to make sure that I stay positive and that I share my positivity with you guys. We could do this one day at a time. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Sending so much love to everybody. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it literally took everything out of me to do this voiceover today. So yeah, so I'm starting with my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This one is really good for all skin types. And then I'm using my Tarte Base Deep Hydrating Primer. And I'm usually use this kind of like in my T-zone area. And because in those areas I tend to be a little more drier lately than others. And I'm using my Stay Naked Foundation by Urban Decay. And the color that I use in that one is 50WY. And I'm using my Real Technique Beauty Blender to apply from my foundation. So this foundation is like a medium coverage. And I'm excited because I'm using the Boxy Charme Hello Charmers palette. This palette is beautiful. And I'm starting with the color Premium, which is like a yellow, nude, shadow. And I'm using that all over my crease. And then I also use Spoiler and Cup of Joe. So Cup of Joe, it's more of like a neutral shadow, more on the brown tone Spoiler. It's more of like a mustardy brown, which is really, really pretty. And then after that, I'm using my P. Louise Base Pros to create a beautiful carve out crease in my lid. And I use a flat brush to create that as well. Sorry for the background noise in advance. And after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna use the color Exclusive, which is like a brown bronze with a hint of gold in my lid. And I'm using the same brush that I was using to do the lid crease for my shadow. So after I'm done with that, I'm actually gonna use another palette, and this palette is one of the Tarte palette, and it's the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I use the color Cozy and Fireside, mostly in my crease, but like at the end, to give it more definition and more of a smoky eye to the look. And I'm using like a really small brush, and then I'm going back with a blending brush, a bigger blending brush, to kind of make everything look even and blend it out together. And then I'm also going to be using my NYX eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I use from my NYX is the Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner, and it's in black. And yeah, so it's BLL01 Black Noir, which is super black and I love. And it takes a lot of concentration to make this liner, because if not, I will mess it up. But yeah, here we are. And then after that, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. And this one is the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. So it's not fully matte, it's like more of a satin. And it's in the color Light Beige. And I'm using that in the nose to make a highlight underneath my eyes and also in my chin area. And I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend everything out. And I use the what's it called, the end part of the Beauty Blender just to make my liner look sharper than what already it is. And then after that, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Powder just to blend everything together. And I'm using a brush from Morphe and in the style E49, which is really good to set your under eyes. And then I'm using a bronzer. So the bronzer that I am using is probably the Perfectly Tan by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and then I'm using also a blush. Right? Who's using a blush lately, Evelyn? Evelyn it is, and it's also by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then I'm using the brush. This brush, I got it on Amazon. I don't remember from what brand, but yeah. And then I'm using my Too Faced mascara in Damn Girl, just to kind of make sure that the lashes and my lashes are all together. And then I'm using the Boxy Charme palette again, and I'm using the Cup of Joe underneath my lash line to make everything pop. And after we are done with that, I'm actually gonna go and highlight my nose and use my Estee Lauder Heat Wave highlighter, and also in my inner corners as well, and to make everything look nice and highlighted in my cheekbones. And I remember that I use a Lancome lip liner, and it's called Charme. It's a really pretty, like, rosy lip liner. And then I use a liquid lipstick also by Tarte, and the color that I use, I think, is TBT. Yeah, TBT. It's a really nice rosy, mauvey, pinky. And that's about it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like and leave a huge thumbs up. And yeah, stay safe. Bye.